Benefits of castor oil and source. Benefits: a powerful laxative, a natural moisturizer, promotes wound healing, impressive anti-inflammatory effects, reduces acne, fights fungus, keeps your hair and scalp healthy. Now foods, solutions, castor oil review. Description: 100% pure, versatile skincare, skin softener, multi-purpose, Expeller-Pressed and Hexane-Free. Clear bottle contains UV light protectant. Condition: skin in need of natural emollient. Suggested use: for topical applications, apply a few drops of 100% pure castor oil to the desired area and massage as needed. For soft hair, simply add a few drops to your favorite shampoo prior to washing. Other ingredients: Ricinus communis, castor, seed oil. Warnings: Now Solutions products are not tested on animals. Caution: for external use only. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.